Hi viewers, welcome to UDIP Ultimate News, your number one hotspot for daily news and entertainment. So today we are going to discuss a very important topic on how to relocate abroad. So you have to pay attention because you may benefit from this visa pathway. So our topic of discussion today is on UK Tier 5 Charity Worker Visa. This is a new type of work visa that was recently announced by the UK government. So our topics of discussion will be the following. Number one, what is Tier 5 Charity Worker Visa? What makes this visa an easier pathway to live and work in the UK? Benefits of Charity Worker Visa, its eligibility, documents required, duration of stay or validity, application cost, how to apply for this visa, and the companies hiring for this Tier 5 Charity Worker Visa. All right. So what is Tier 5 Charity Worker Visa? It's a temporary work visa given to people that want to do unpaid voluntary work for a charity organization in the UK. You won't be paid for your work, so it's entirely what? Charity. The duration of validity of this visa is 12 months and 14 days. Though you cannot take up a paid position with this visa, you are allowed to take up a second job of up to 20 hours per week in the same sector of your charity work. This second job must be from the skilled worker shortage occupation list. Tier 5 charity worker visa can be extended before it expires. All right, so we're going to look at what makes this visa an easier pathway to live and work in the UK. First of all, there is no international English language test. So IELTS is not needed. You don't need high qualifications. It can be converted to a residence visa later on. You can bring your spouse and children as well with you. You can enter the UK 14 days before the start of your job or joining date. Okay, so what are the benefits of charity worker visa? If you get this visa, you have free accommodation, free meal, stipends for your monthly bill payment, okay? You can study while working, so that means you can work and study. You're permitted to work and study. You're allowed to take up a second job, as I said earlier, of up to 20 hours per week in the same sector of your charity work. And this second job must be from the skilled worker shortage occupation list. Tier 5 charity worker visa can be extended before it expires. You can bring your dependent family members, like your spouse and children. Your dependents will also receive temporary residence visa. Your spouse or partner can take up full-time paid job, okay? And this will help to balance everything in your expenses and your family. Now, for the fact you're already residing in UK, you have a higher chance of getting a job in any of the skilled shortage occupations. For example, a caregiver role. More so, the experience you get from the charity work gives you a higher chance in getting a job in the UK. And this visa has fast visa processing time. Now, let's look at its eligibility. Anyone can apply for this visa. At least you must be 18 years of age, okay? You must have a certificate of sponsorship reference number. It is valid for 3 months from the day it was assigned to you. You must not have any criminal record. Now, what are the documents required for Tier 5 visa application? Number one, you need a valid international passport. You also need a certificate of sponsorship, that is COS, from the company hiring you. You need a negative TB test certificate. This is valid for 6 months. You need a proof of funds that you can support yourself financially while in the UK, except your sponsor specifies that he or she is supporting you financially. Also, bank statement is important. So you must have a bank statement showing at least £1,270, okay, in your account. This should be available for at least 28 days in a row prior to your visa application. If you are bringing your dependents, there should be proof of funds that are available for their care and support in the UK. Also, proof of your relationship with your dependents. Your spouse or partner needs £285. Each child needs £315. An additional child needs £200. So what about the duration of stay or validity of this visa? You can stay for 12 months and 14 days in the UK, as I said earlier. Or the number of months written on your COS, if it's less than 12 months, you're allowed to enter the UK 14 days before the date of commencement of your charity work. As I said earlier, you can extend your visa before it expires. All right, so we're going to look at the application cost. Application fee for Tier 5 charity worker visa is £259 per applicant, that is per person. Healthcare surcharge is £634 per year. Proof of funds per person, as I mentioned earlier, primary applicant £1,270, spouse or partner £285, child, that's the first charge, £315, and additional charge £200. Okay, so we're going to look at how to apply for this Tier 5 charity worker visa. Okay, so application of this visa is online on the UK Home Affairs website. You can see the link on your screen. I put the link on the screen, and I'm going to put it also in the description. After getting your job offer or certificate of sponsorship, that is COS, check your joining date on the COS. Apply at least 3 months before that date. Visa processing time, as I said earlier, is quite fast. Decision is usually made on your application within 3 weeks if you're applying from outside the UK, and 8 weeks if you're applying from inside the UK. Okay, right now we're going to look at the companies hiring candidates and sponsoring Tier 5 charity worker visa. One of the companies hiring people from outside and inside the UK is Latch, located at the West Norwood in South London. The website is www.latch.org.uk. Okay, Latch is known for its great social care. They care for those with learning disabilities and offer specialist daycare services. They also offer supported housing. You can visit their website to learn more. Then navigate to their career page and apply for the openings they have. Latch offers free food, free accommodation, and stipends for bill payments for their charity workers. Other companies are Newton D, Books 2 Africa, Camp Hill, YMCA, etc. I will discuss these companies in the next video on charity worker visa. Okay, so after watching this particular video, you have to check for the next one I'm going to upload. Okay, viewers, I hope you enjoyed today's discussion. This is Dr. Udochi Precious Anosike from UDIP Ultimate News, your #1 hotspot for daily news and entertainment. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates on diaspora and immigration opportunities. So, subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.